Hi guys, I especially want to welcome you to Favors Blog, the one-stop point for juicy entertainment, and trust me, you will not regret being a part of this amazing family. How do you become a part of this family? Do not forget, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. And of course, do follow us on all our social media platforms showing on your screen right now. Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Friday, 13th of January 2023. Our topic today says, Kill Pride. Our Bible reading is taken from the book of Proverbs chapter 16, verse 5. It says, Everyone proud in heart is an abomination to the Lord. Though they join forces, none will go unpunished. Proverbs chapter 16, verse 5. Our memory verse is taken from James chapter 4 verse 5, which reads, But he giveth more grace, wherefore he saith, God resisteth the proud, but giveth grace unto the humble. James 4 verse 6. Now to the main message. More often than not, the people who provoke God do so through pride. The most junior staff in an organization would typically be humble and submissive. However, the day the person begins to feel overly important, he or she will start provoking some people. The moment you become proud, you begin to provoke God. Never forget that no matter how high you go, God is still the most high. God usually deals with proud people in two ways. The first way is by recalling such fellows suddenly and in a disgraceful manner. In Acts of the Apostles, chapter 12, verse 20 to 24, King Herod's pride made him consent to being compared to the Most High. This made God order worms to eat him up alive. The Lord said, Oh, you think you are big because you are commander-in-chief of some armies? I have armies that don't carry gun, ordinary worms. One moment, Herod was sitting on the throne. The next moment, he was being eaten by worms. However, the Lord could also decide to disgrace a fellow openly while preserving Esau alive. That is what he did to Nebuchadnezzar in the book of Daniel chapter 4 from verse 28 to 37. Nebuchadnezzar was the greatest king of his time. He built a city called Babylon, which had one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. At a point, God saw that he was becoming proud and sent him a warning through a dream. Unfortunately, 1 year after the message came, he had forgotten. So God said, Okay, you think you are big? Go and eat with animals for 7 years. Nobody removed his royal robes from him. He removed them with his own hands. If there is something that must leave your life permanently today, it is pride. Be careful as you rise, so as not to begin to feel you are overly important. The elders say, when the cockroach falls, nobody hears the sound. When an ant falls, the ground doesn't tremble. But if an elephant falls, the tremors will be felt both near and far. If God is elevating you, be wary of pride so it doesn't become a case of him raising an elephant so that when it falls, everyone will pay attention, like in the case of Pharaoh, found in the book of Romans, chapter 9, verse 17. Our key point for today says, if there is something that must leave your life permanently today, it is pride. The Open Heavens Daily Devotional is written by Pastor E.A. Adeboye, who is the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, and was presented to you by Lauro Favor. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with us to the very end of today's video. We're glad you were here with us. Please keep a date with us by subscribing to this channel and turning on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop a new video. And do not forget to follow us also on TikTok at Lauru_favor1. And don't forget to like our videos across the social media platforms, and of course share it on your social media platforms so your friends and family could be part of this amazing family with you as well. So we'll come your way again with another amazing video. This is still Favors Blog.